The project we're at here is one that's actually close to the office. I watched it go for sale and thought that'd be an interesting project to work on. The client then come to us with a vision of extending some rooms, making upstairs bigger for their family. He was always time conscious because he wanted his children to start school in the area only 4 months after purchase. So we're able to get to this stage within 4 months, plan the defect in 2 weeks and hopefully get them in for the Easter school holidays.
Yeah, great family, 2 boys. They were mainly buying in the area specifically for the school catchment zone. And yeah, obviously now securing this property, us being able to meet the timelines and the deadlines that they were needing, means the boys can have a nice smooth transition just after the Easter school holidays.
So at this job, we were able to extend upstairs. This house had an existing first floor extension, which we doubled in size. We gave them 2 extra bedrooms, bathroom, study and a retreat. While we're doing that work, we also did a new kitchen, butler's pantry, 2 new en-suites and a bathroom. So it is actually a large house, but nice area and it's finishing up really well. I can't wait to defect in a couple of weeks.
We did also here specifically to fit this kitchen in, took out some walls, did a ground floor reconfiguration just to get a bit of a better floor plan. Was able to even throw in the modern day requirements of a butler's pantry, still really getting a nice size laundry, powder room, ensuite. So there's actually 2 options for parent retreat upstairs and downstairs. So yeah, we were able to really benefit on this floor plan, utilize the house, get it more open plan and actually suit the new future needs of this client.
As you walk through the front entry, we've opened it up and installed a new kitchen with butler's pantry to the right.
Open plan living.
Yep, we've opened up the walls, made it open plan living, added a couple of arches.
We have been able to work closely with our client to have their budget go far by allowing them to do flooring and painting directly. By reusing quality materials already in the home rather than throwing them out, our clients get the finished result thereafter without blowing out the cost of the extension.
Okay, so then as we enter down the hallway, existing rooms, existing staircase.
Built-in robes.
Built-in robes.
More storage.
We've added the new laundry.
Reconfigured, fit in a laundry and under the stairs. Fit in a nice large powder room. Reconfigured the existing down floors bedrooms to now create a beautiful size master, very lavish size walk-in robe, and great size ensuite with double basins. Reusing the existing stairs that were here brings you up to the new retreat.
And this is where the extension took over. Out of the new extension, new bathroom with bath.
Large size bedrooms.
Bedroom.
With built-in robes. Same for next door.
Actually nice.
Great outlook.
Yeah, it's
That's a
actually
beautiful
nice.
outlook.
Yeah.